very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, then scroll down right here until you get to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings, and it's going to take you right here. Then go ahead and click on privacy and security. Then scroll down right here, you have data browsing, delete, you have privacy guard right here, you have third-party cookies. So go ahead and click on third-party cookies right here. Next thing you want to do to scroll down right here, click on see all site data and permission. Then here you go. So you have all sites right here. So these are all the sites you have been visiting so far with your Chrome browser, depending on the how often you have been browsing the internet, and you have all data taken from you by some of these websites right here. Now, what you can do right here, you can come to the top right here, click on data store. So this is going to give you based on the how often you visit the site. So these are websites that have your data store right here. However, you can come to by name right here. This will give you hierarchy by name, and then you can go back to data store right here. So you can go on and use this to track some of the information some of these websites are having about you. So if you want to delete, just go ahead and want to delete third-party cookies, go ahead and click on this icon and click on delete, and it's that simple. So you can go on and delete as many as possible on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.